the Consolazione Sanctuary. The road eventually ends at the Consolazione Sanctuary. Santa Maria della Consolazione, commissioned by a patent financier, Michelangelo Giolietto, was built in 1954 on the southeast spur of the hill, on the site of a previous oratory, dated 1585, partially destroyed by bombings during the last war and subsequently demolished. The building looms against the horizon, a severe, spellbinding neo-Romanesque silhouette enhanced with a fascinating, structurally attractive design that unwinds in energetic, dynamic segments, dense with architectural and chromatic effects. The building was designed by Rosario La Russa. The prospect has an airy, sculpted decoration, which emphasizes the robust arched portal with its frescoed lunette and great central rose window, and rising behind this is the lovely attic gallery, with descending single light windows. The entire complex, articulated in warm surfaces with alternating highs and bas relief, and tall single light windows with longitudinal prospects, is dominated by the square tribunium with beveled finish, with great jutting triple light windows. To the left, detached from the church, a tall bell tower is tempered by fine vertical ribbing and crowned with a small cuspidated loggia. The interior is a basilica layout with a nave and two aisles, and a caisson ceiling. The presbytery floor, introduced by an impressive arcade, is dominated by a luminous cupola with ring motifs, which map out a circular vortex motion. The church has an abundance of warm pictorial decoration, the work of the Catanese Archimedes ring, concentrated in the apse where the frescoes depict, from the bottom, the donation and the consecration of the sanctuary, and in the bowl, the enthroned Madonna between legions of angels and saints. In the nave, the stained glass windows, illustrated with symbols of the liturgy, have frescoes to the right of Esther and Ashura, Sarah, Susanna, Judith holding the head of Holofernes. To the left, the Madonna with angels, the Madonna of the Rosary, the Madonna of Comfort, Madonna with prophets. Scenes from the life of Mary are depicted on the aisle windows and on the copper door panels. The entrance wall is frescoed with a crucified Christ and grieving Mother. The cupola pendentives have 4 medallions containing the effigies of the evangelists. Next to the sanctuary there is the Casa della Carità Provvidenza, 1961, of Giolietto Philanthropic Foundation, run by Opera Donorian Fathers. Turning back along via Provvidenza Bonaccorsi Giolietto, passing the small church of San Giacomo, immediately on the left of this a steep road leads to the top of the hill. Here the massive silhouettes of the Santa Maria dell'Alto church and the castle soar skywards.